This video explains how to install Internet Explorer 11. You will learn how to search for Internet Explorer 11, how to choose the correct version of Internet Explorer 11 that fits your system, how to close the current version of Internet Explorer prior to installing Internet Explorer 11. Go to google.com. Search for Internet Explorer 11 for Windows. Select Download Internet Explorer 11 Offline Installer Windows Help. Scroll down to English version. Go to the bottom left corner of the screen and select the Start menu. On the right group, right-click on Computer. At the bottom of the menu, select Properties. Make sure the system type matches the downloaded file. Go to the upper right corner of the window and click the X mark. Click on the link that matches your operating system. At the bottom of the screen, click Save. Click Open Folder. Make sure Internet Explorer is closed by moving the mouse to the upper right corner and clicking the X sign. Move back to the downloaded files and run the installer.